Is quadratic equation confusing you? Don't worry. Welcome to the math room. In today's lecture, I will teach you how to solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula in a very easy, simple way. Make sure to watch until the end. So let's get started. Before solving the equation, let's have a look what is quadratic formula. This formula helps us to find the value of x. You can use this formula only when you have quadratic equation. So x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now compare the given equation with standard form of quadratic equation. First, we will write the general form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now compare the general equation with our given equation. Now identify the value of a, b and c. So a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5, and c is equals to 1. We compare the coefficient of variables. Now we have the value of a, b and c. So we will put all the values in our quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So b is equals to 5, so minus 5 plus minus square root. Now we have b square, so we will write 5 square minus 4. A is equals to 2, so we will write 2, and then c is equals to 1, so 1 divided by 2a, and 2a is equals to 2, so 2 multiply with 2. Now let's solve the further. So we know that 5 square is equals to 25 minus 4 times 2 and then 2 times 1. So which is equals to 8. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Then minus 5 plus minus, we will subtract 25 minus 8, which is equals to 17 divided by 4. Now we have plus and minus in formula, so we will write two solution set. One will be positive and the other will be negative, which is equals to x is equals to minus 5 minus under 17 divided by 4. Now we will take another example. Similarly, we will compare the coefficient of equation, so which is a equals to 3 and b is equals to minus 5, then c is equals to minus 3. First we will write the formula, which is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now putting all the values, which is x is equals to minus into minus 5, then plus minus square root b is equals to minus 5, so minus 5 square minus 4, and a is equals to 3 and c is equals to minus 3. Then divided by 2 into a is equals to 3 again. Now calculate the values. We know that minus minus equals to plus 5, then plus minus square root minus 5 square is equals to 25, then minus minus will be plus, and 4 times 3 and 3 times 3, which is equals to 36, divided by 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Then x is equals to 5 plus minus, we will add these two values, which is equals to 61, then divided by 6. Now similarly we have two signs plus minus, so we will get two solution set, in which one is positive and second is negative, which is x is equals to plus 5 minus under 61 divided by 6. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.